Hello student, today is the last lecture of modulus function. So modulus problems we are doing last lecture of that questions and these questions, and tomorrow we'll start logarithm. Today you can do practice. If you have any doubts you can post to me. Okay, tomorrow onwards we'll start a very important topic, that is logarithms. Okay, now see here this question how to solve it. In mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 is less than or equal to 3. What is the answer? Mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 greater than or equal to 4. What is the answer? So let us solve this one. I'll solve first this, then after I'll solve that. Okay, let us see here. The solution will be here like this. First of all, you have to draw a line. Okay, number line. Okay, draw a number line. Mention that is infinity and minus infinity. After that, mention the zeros on the number line. What are the zeros here? X minus 1 0 is 1. X minus 2 0 is 2. You make it that way. So this is divided in how many parts? 1, 2, 3 parts. So it is divided into 3 parts. Now we can take case 1 here. Case 1, I can take that x is, this is less than 1, right? So we can write here x less than or equal to 1. That is the case 1. So it's 1, so less than 1, that is the case 1. So what I want to say is, you take any number less than 1, like I can take an example 0, and put here in this question in the modulus 0 minus 1 will be how much? Minus 1, that is negative. Inside I am talking about it behaves how? This modulus behaves 0 minus 1 is minus 1, means negative it is behaving. 0 minus 2 is minus 2, negative it is behaving. So this modulus will open in this case negative. So it will be open negative, negative will be open. So minus of x minus 1, okay, plus this is also open how here, minus of x minus 2 less than or equal to 3. So what I can write here, minus into x, minus into minus plus 1, minus x, minus into minus plus 2 less than or equal to 3. It means here minus 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 3. That is minus 2x less than or equal to 0. I already informed you, whenever you have minus number in product or division with x, so you have to eliminate that one, you have to make x as a subject. So to eliminate this one, what I have to do here, I have to divide with minus 2. When I divide by minus 2, inequality changes. Divide by minus 2. If I am dividing with minus 2, what I get here? Minus 2x by minus 2. And this less than or equal to change inequality greater than or equal to. And 0 by minus 2. So inequality changes. So this is cancelled out. 2 cancelled out. 0 by anything is 0. X is greater than or equal to 0. Are you understanding? 0 by 2 is 0, right? So x greater than or equal to 0. What you got here? In this case, x less than or equal to 1. Here is saying x greater than or equal to 0. Means combinedly what will be the answer? ये बोल रहा है, what is saying here? 1 से छोटे सा means 1 less than 1 all the numbers. And what is saying? 0 to more than 0. What I am talking about this graph, about this one, the solution is saying, the case is saying that 1 less than 1. Okay, if I take here 1, so case is saying this is I am taking. Case is saying this. But what you got the answer, x is here, if it is 0, it is more than 0. He is saying that I am more than 0. So the combined of these will be the answer, and they are included because equal to symbol is there, they are equal, included. So the answer for this case is, I can say that answer is, where to where? Answer is 0 to 1 closed. The answer is 0 to 1 closed because it is 0 to more and 1 to less. 1 to less, 0 to more is this. So case 1 answer is 0, 1 closed. Case 1 over. Let us go for the case 2. What was the case 2? here case 2. Okay, what is case 2? I have to take the case 2 is in between, right? In between I have to take. Okay, let us take the in between now. Now 1 to 2 between. Case is between 2 to 1. So 2 to 1, any number you can pick up, that is 1.5. I'll take one bit. Best number is 1.5. Substitute here 1.5, 1.5 minus 1, that is positive number. Because greater number minus smaller number is positive. 1.5, smaller number minus greater number is negative. Means here is positive, here is negative. Here it will be open with positive and here it will open with a negative. And what you have here, less than or equal to 3. So what I can write here, x minus 1 minus x plus 2 less than or equal to 3. So this is cancelled. What I got here, this is plus 2, right? Okay. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. Is that 1 is less than 3? Let's see that, is it 1 is less than 3? Yes. 1 is less than 3. That is true. When it's true, then this branch is the answer. Means this case will be answered. So the case answer is what? 1 to 2 will be the answer. So the answer is what here? You can say that answer is, case 2 answer is 1 to 2. That means x belongs to 1 open, this is 1 open, and 2 closed is the answer for the case 2. Let us go for the case 3. Whenever it becomes true, the branch, means the case will be the answer. If it is false, there is no solution. Now let us go for the case 3. What is the case 3 here? Case 3 I can take x greater than 2. X greater than 2. Let us take any number greater than 2. What is the number greater than 2? 3. Let us take 3. Now 3 minus 1 positive, 3 minus 2 positive. So these two will be open with positive line, positive side. X minus 1 plus x minus 2, and you have less than or equal to 3. Now you can add here x plus x, 2x minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 less than or equal to 3. So 2x less than or equal to 6, x less than or equal to 3. Now in this case what you got here, equal to 3 and less than 3, and what you have here greater than 2. So combinedly the answer will be intersection of this. See here, in this is intersection. Okay. So what is you get here? Here you get what is the common point for both? Both common point. See here is saying x less than 3. If it is 3 here, less than 3. All answers less than 3. In this case is saying x greater than 2, and here 3 is included, and here 2 is not included. This is not included. So hold a circle. And here 2 greater than 2. Greater than 2 means this side. This is greater than 2. And combinedly what are there here in this both? Combined is 2 to 3. So the answer belongs to 2, 3 closed. So this is what we got, case number 3 answer. So you got all the 3 answers. What is the final answer is, you have to do the union of all these 3 answers. That will be the answer. So what is the answer here? Case 1, I got answer how much? 1 to 2. Case 2, I got the answer is how much? Sorry. Case 1 answer where I got? Okay, case 1 answer you got here. That is 0 to 1 closed. Case 2 answer you got here. Okay, and case 3 answer you got here. So 1, 2, 3. You have to do union of these 3. So if I do union of these 3, 1 union, 2 union, 3, I have to write all the 3 unions. So let us see here on the number line. On the number line, this is minus infinity. This is plus infinity. The case 1 is speaking about 0 to 1 closed. So if I pick up, it is 0 here and 1 here. Case 1 saying about 0 to 1. 0 to 1. And this is saying closed. It means I can include 0 and I can include 1. And case 2 is saying where 2 to 3. If I take here 2 and here if I take 3, this is saying 2 to 3. 2 is open and 3 is closed. 2 to 3. So this is what is saying case 2. So case 2, let us take the vertical lines. Okay, now case 3 is what said, sorry, I have written about case 3 This is case 3 answer. This is case 1 answer. What is case 2 answer? Case 2 answer is here. 1 to 2. So 1 is here and 2 closed. Yeah, he is saying that 2 closed now. Now he is saying this case 2 is closed. And this answer is, let us take horizontal. Union means shaded place. Intersection means all combined place. If you see intersection, that is all combined place, means vertical line, horizontal line, intersecting place. But there is no all combined place. But if you see union means all these answers. So where 0 to 3, all this will be the answer. So final answer is x belongs to 0 to 3. All is shaded. So 0 to 3 is your final answer. And they are closed. Because 0 is involved and 3 also involved. 3 also closed. So answer is x belongs to 0, 3. This is what the answer. Hope you understand. If you not understand, pause, make it the speed less and watch again.